Shalom, beautiful people. All praise be to the Most High. Welcome back to the Moneypot channel. I greatly appreciate you for clicking on this video. Being in the financial industry, you come across a lot of smart people who know about finances. And one thing that I've learned is that most intelligent and well put together financial advisors and professionals say one thing: diversify your portfolio. And this is one principle that I agree on, very much so. It is vital as we look at investing that we understand the importance of diversifying, or in other terms, hedging your bets. And we've realized, and many professionals and myself have realized, that when you diversify your portfolio, it leads to successful investing, regardless of what the investment is. Let's say you want to invest in stocks. You need to diversify your portfolio so that you're not just in one sector. You don't want to be just solely in tech or just solely in pharmaceuticals. You want to make sure that you have a diverse portfolio. And the same with certain cryptocurrencies, precious metals, commodities, even real estate. You hear this term diversification being key to being successful in your investing. And as I'm, understanding how vital it is to diversify our portfolios, I was like, well, where does this stem from? And of course, like all other principles that lead to success, this principle of diversification is found in our Bibles. We see the Most High's word talking about diversification, coming from arguably the wisest man to ever walk this earth. Solomon gives us this gem in Ecclesiastes 11, verse 2. He says, "Give a portion to 7 or even to 8, for you do not know what misfortune may occur on the earth." That is a word. And it tells us about diversification here in this Bible verse. We see that we need to give a portion to 7 or even divide it to 8 sources, for we do not know what misfortune may come across the earth. You see, when you diversify, you're not putting all your eggs in one basket. You've heard that term before, haven't you? Don't put all your eggs in one basket. And this verse is extremely important. The latter part of it is because we're living in such crazy times right now. We do not know what misfortune may occur on earth, especially here in the United States. As we talk about here on the Moneypot channel, we're seeing all these various economic events happening and bubbles starting to be formed and also starting to potentially be popping. And we don't know what misfortune may come on the earth. You see, when you think about it, even from the olden days, you never know when a famine is going to strike. And the farmers, their crops, their ability to feed their family and to produce income is going to be threatened. So we recently see this in Texas with those wildfires and millions of cattle being lost to these wildfires. That is people's livelihood, y'all. That's how they make money. And then we see, other ways that misfortune happens, even in the markets and with brokerage accounts. We see theft happening. The biggest one most recently is with the FTX scandal, and how millions of users lost their money, having their money in those accounts. That is why it is so important that we diversify our portfolios as these times are getting crazier and crazier. Don't have all your eggs in one basket. Don't have all your money sitting in United States dollar bills. Make sure that you're diversifying a little. If you have the opportunity to purchase, in my opinion, what is the most valuable store of value asset, which is land. If you have the opportunity, put some of your capital in land. Start building up equity in your land. Or maybe, if you don't have as much capital, start looking at precious metals, such as silver and gold. These are ways to diversify your portfolio so that you do, because there will be misfortune. And Proverbs, it says, a wise man foresees evil in the future. So it is vital that you diversify your portfolios. We see here in God's word, giving us discernment to diversify our portfolio. So I encourage you to do just that. Make sure that you have a diverse portfolio of assets and make sure that your assets are retaining their store of value, okay? Seriously. But I hope this quick little message bless you in understanding that these are the times that diversification is key. When you're looking to learn more about world economics, these unprecedented times that we're living in personal finance, and cryptocurrency, and much more, make sure you check out some of the content that we have on the Moneypot channel. But regardless of what you do, make sure that you stay blessed, stay healthy, stay prayed up. Peace.